Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very
So
smoothly.
today we will discuss important MCQs based on current affairs. So the first question is, with reference to the Swamitva scheme, consider the following statements. First, Swamitva scheme uses the combination of survey grade drones and CORS network to accurately survey large areas in a very short span of time. The maps generated through the drone survey are of very high accuracy, that is, up to 7 centimeters, which the conventional methodology does not provide. So, which of the following given above is or are correct? Option A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. So, you can pause this video and write down your answer in the comment section below. I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option C, both 1 and 2. So both these statements are correct. This was in news because Union Panchayati Raj Minister Shri Giriraj Singh launches SMS sending functionality to inform MPs or MLAs about the commencement of drone flying in their constituency under the Swamitva scheme. So you can read more about Swamitva scheme from standard sources like standard newspapers, and you can Google also. So this was all about first question. Let us discuss second question. With reference to the strengthening of pharmaceutical industry scheme, consider the following statements. First, the scheme will extend support required to existing pharma clusters and MSME across the country. Second, the objective of the scheme to improve productivity, quality and sustainability of the pharma industries with a total financial outlay of 500 crore rupees for the period from financial year 2021 to 22 to 2025-26. So which of the following given above statements is or are correct? Option A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. So the correct answer of this question is option C, both 1 and 2. So Chemical and Fertilizers Ministry has released guidelines for the scheme strengthening of pharmaceutical industry. Hence both statements are correct. So this was in news because government releases norms for strengthening of pharma industry scheme. So this was in news because of this issue. You can read about pharmaceutical industry, about patents, copyrights, about intellectual property rights. So this can be the associated topic of this question. So let us discuss question number 3. With reference to the Central Council for Research in Unani Medicine, consider the following statements. First, it is an autonomous organization under the Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. Second, it was established in 2015. So which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. The correct answer of this question is option A 1 only. So the Union Ministry of Ayush inaugurated the International Conference on Diet and Nutrition in Unani Medicine for Good Health and Well-being in Srinagar. So statement number 1 is correct and second is incorrect. So this was in news because Regional Research Institute of Unani Medicine in Srinagar to be developed as Center of Excellence. It was said by Sri Sarbanand Sonowal, who is the Union Minister of Ayush. So you can read about associated topics like Unani, Siddha, Ayurveda. So this can also come in upcoming prelims examination. So you can read about important organizations such as this organization. So this was all about question number 3rd. Let us discuss question number 4. Chang E5T1, often mentioned in news, is an initiative of option A, NASA, B, ISRO, C, China National Space Administration, D, none of the above. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. The correct answer of this question is option C, China National Space Administration. So this was in news because a piece of spacecraft flying through space reportedly hit the surface of the moon last Friday. So this was a question that is framed from space technology. So science and technology contribution in prelims is very high. So you can see more and more number of questions in from science and technology, but aspirants neglect science and technology. So you should focus on science and technology especially. So this was about question number 4. You can focus on important technologies like space technology, defense technology, biotechnology, nanotechnology. Likewise, you can cover science and technology part. So let us now discuss question number 5. Which of the following is the largest nuclear power station in India? Option A, Kudankulam Nuclear Power Plant. Option B, Tarapur Nuclear Power Plant. Option C, Rajasthan Atomic Power Station. Option D, Madras Atomic Power Station. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. I will tell you the correct answer of this question is option A, Kudankulam Nuclear Power Plant. So this was in news because after Chief Minister M.K. Stalin wrote to Prime Minister Narendra Modi urging him to halt the construction of the away from reactor facility at the Kudankulam nuclear power project site for storing nuclear waste, the Kudankulam village panchayat, under which the project site falls, has passed a resolution against setting up the facility. Hence, option A is the correct answer. So, Kudankulam panchayat adopts resolution against AFR. So, I have already told you this. So, you can read important topics which are in the news. So, actually, current affairs also plays a great role in your selection in prelims. So, you should not ignore the current affairs. You can read current affairs from standard sources and any standard magazine or one standard newspaper. So this was all about today's video. You can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.